Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I have this pretty golden teal today that I'll be using as my base paint. You saw from the beginning promo, we're doing a color art giveaway in collaboration, and here's a Prizm Pour that I'm going to be using today. It's called Frostbite. Make sure you join us for that collaboration. It's on the 16th of January, and we're going to be giving away some cool prizes. This is Royal Galaxy by Prizm Pour. Then I have Payne's Gray by Golden. Next one is a Cobalt Blue, and that is Liquitex Basics. And I have Liquitex Basics Blue Violet. And I have a Deco Art Enchanted Violet mixed with a little iridescent Arteza Pearl Pink. All right, all my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm using the cell activator of Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam white, and that's a 1:3 ratio. All right, so I'm gonna be putting down my base paint and getting into it. I'm doing this really pretty little, kind of like a blowout swipe, kind of like a Dutch pour mixed with a swipe. You'll see in a minute. I do my Dutch pours a little differently. I don't use a hairdryer. I like to just use my own breath. If you're interested in any of the color art products, go to their website, www.colorart.com, and save 20% with TSR 921. All right, guys. Hope you all have a great holiday. I'll see you real soon on the next video. Make sure you tune in on 1/16 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and get your chance to win some of these Prizm Pours. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.
When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go. Climbing my silence to show. Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me. When I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Turn out the light. The next morning when I wake, I feel like Sleeping Beauty, and the world is at my feet. Bring the heat, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me. When I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Turn out the light. Maybe you can lay here beside me. Maybe, just maybe, we can rest in clouds and suns. Maybe, just maybe.